Hi and welcome to another video from Car Fan 101. In this video I'll explain the tire manufacturing dates. So in my first example you have to find the dot number, which is a serial number for your tire, and at the end of this number you'll find 4 digits. In this case it's 0220, which means second week of year 2020. So second week of year 2020. In this second example, same thing, you'll find the dot number, and at the end of the dot number you'll find 4 digits. This case is 0715, which means 7th week of year 2015. In this example, same thing, find the dot number and you'll see 0815, which means 8th week of year 2015. So there you have it. That's how you read a tire manufacturing date on any tires. By the way, a quick tip, if you need tires and you want to buy them used, make sure they're between 5 and 7 years old. So check your dates and buy them between 5 at maximum 7 years. So have fun and be safe.